if I select the wall, I have at modify trim, or we have trim here. We have three options for trim extend to corner, trim extend single elements, and trim extend multiple elements. Trim extend to corner will connect these walls to corner like this. If I use this here, it will trim the wall here, but I don't want this here, so I have to use other way to trim extend single elements, and I will select the reference and select the wall. It will connect here, but element by element. If I want to use multiple walls to go to the same reference, I have selected this option, trim extend multiple element, and select the reference and select the walls like this.